Hi, welcome to Recipes Recreated. So today I'm going to show you guys how I marinate my carne asada for carne asada tacos, for like street tacos. So I'm going to show you that, and then we are going to make a really easy pink champagne cake for dessert with a champagne glaze. So yum, it's going to be delicious today. All right, so let me turn this around. All right, so move that here. So these are my spices that I'm going to use. So I'm going to put it all in this bag. And I put a little bit of oil in this bag, so when I put the carne asada in, it'll get coated too. So when I put it on the grill, I don't worry about it sticking. So we have coarse ground black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, dark brown sugar, some chili powder, red chili, pepper flakes, some cumin, and cayenne. And then I also squeeze in lemon and oranges. And then I let that marinate. Sorry. So I let that marinate for a couple hours overnight, if you think about it. But I usually don't really know what I want until like the day for dinner, until the day of. So yeah, we're going to put that together. And then we will do the super easy pink champagne cake. Okay, guys, see you soon. Okay, so here it is. Here is the marinade. It's already in the bag. So what I forgot to tell you is that was about 2 pounds, or that is about 2 pounds of carne asada, and about 2 teaspoons of each spice, except for the brown sugar, which I used 2 tablespoons, or a tablespoon and a half, and then about a tablespoon of Worcestershire. So we're gonna let that marinate, and now we're gonna get together the stuff for the pink champagne cake, the easy pink champagne cake. All right, be right back. Hi guys. Okay, so here comes the super fun, delicious part. So we're gonna do a pink champagne cake, an easy one, because it calls for like a boxed cake mix. So I'm just gonna show you the ingredients that we're gonna put into it, and then that'll be the end of it, and then we'll show you the end product afterwards. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients, and then when it does bake, you're gonna put it in the oven for about 50 minutes at 350, and when it's almost finished, that's when you're gonna start making the glaze for it, and that is gonna be, I know I'm kind of going backwards here, sorry, but that's gonna be a cup of butter, a cup of white sugar, and about a half a cup of the pink champagne, and you're gonna boil that for about a minute until the white sugar dissolves, and then before you invert the cake, because we're doing it in a bundt pan, before you invert it, poke holes in it, and I usually use like a chopstick. Poke holes in it, and then take half of the glaze and pour it over it, and then invert it. And then you can take the rest of the glaze and pour it over the top. So we'll see that a little bit later. But so for right now, let me just turn this around. All right, so this just calls for like a yellow boxed cake mix, and then you're gonna put 3/4 cup of oil. You're going to do a half a cup of pink champagne, 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, quarter cup of, that's 1/4 of brown sugar. Let's see, I think this is 3/4 of buttermilk, and a package of instant vanilla pudding. And then you're going to make sure that you put it in a super heavily oiled and floured butter. And then we're just going to bake it. And so next time you see it, it'll be done, and have the glaze over it and everything. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye. Okay, hi guys. So the carne asada is done, the cake is done, and I put together some tacos so you can kind of see what I do with my street tacos. So let me turn this around. So we have the tacos. Here's the carne asada meat. Chop some of it up. I have some cilantro and white onion and lime in there, and I grill up some jalapenos and take off the skins and then cut them up because I like mine a little bit spicy, and then some limes. Now before I put the carne asada on the grill, I did salt it because that's what I do last, so I didn't add that in my dry ingredients when I showed you earlier, because I do that last. So anyway, so here they are. And here is the cake. So I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to cut the cake a little bit later, and I will post them on my Instagram, so you guys can take a look at that if you want to. And again, that's Angela B2416. So that's that, you guys. So let me know if you try it, or give me your guys' recipes. I love to try different new recipes too, and how you marinate your carne asada, or if you try the cake. So that's it, guys. So I will go enjoy myself now, and I hope you guys have a great evening. All right, bye.